so cute. Can I have a round of applause for the little one? It takes a lot, and a lot of you ladies know that it does take a lot to be up here. All right, so our first contestant is Kitty Von B. Guys, it's so, Kitty Von B, what is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is pink because it reminds me of unicorn.
Isn't that cute? Oh, one more question. If you had a spirit animal, what would it be?
A butterfly.
Why?
Because I like to run fast and they fly all around.
Oh, that's so cute! Give a round of applause, guys! All right, contestant number 2, Little Miss Ivy Rock and Rose. I've known Ivy since she was a baby. Go ahead and pose, mommy. And what is your favorite color and why?
Green. Because my color changes every time on my birthday.
It's so cute. What is your spirit animal?
Dog.
Why a dog?
Because they look cute.
Love that. Give a round of applause, everybody. Contestant number 3, Miss Allie Batts. You're so cute. I love this. Miss Allie Batts, what is your favorite color and why?
Pink because it's bright and it makes me happy.
And what is your spirit animal?
A cat because I can be lazy and eat snacks all day.
I love that answer. By the way, I love that they're shorter than me because, I'm real short. Anyway. So, contestant number 4, Miss Sunny Bunny. What is your favorite color and why?
It's pink because it's pretty and it's cute color.
Awesome. And what is your spirit animal?
A bunny
Why a bunny?
because I jump around every single time in my house.
She's right. I have actually kids too.
You
Sorry,
little
I'm ready to
pose.
get my hands.
Sorry. Okay, go back.
Contestant number 5, Little Miss Monster. Her mom's also in the contest, and they're actually both number 5.
How cool.
I won't fight you. Little Miss Monster. What is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is pink because it's so vibrant.
Okay. And what is your spirit animal?
A unicorn
Ooh, why a unicorn?
because they do magic.
Wow. Give her a round of applause, guys. Contestant number 6, Allie Pop. There you go, sorry. Technical difficulty there. And what is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is light blue because it's the color of the sky and God created it.
Oh, that's it. And what is your spirit animal?
My spirit animal is a cat because they are sassy and they are sassy, cute, and my favorite game would be playing around the house.
Awesome. I love cats too. Thank you. Contestant number 7, Rock Barbie. So what is your favorite color and why?
And because they're rocks.
Okay, that's a good loves it. And what is your spirit animal?
My spirit animal is a dog.
Why a dog?
Because I have an animal and stuff.
Okay, that's a good answer. That's a good answer. Thank you. All right, ladies, you all want to pose really quick? We're going to go ahead and do the crowning afterwards before the other contestants come up. Just checking on time, guys. Hold on. You guys want to come on, Miss Kitty Von V? Okay. Contestant number 2, Little Miss Ivy Rock'n'Roll. Contestant number 3, Miss Allie Bass. Contestant number 4, Miss Sunny Bunny. Contestant number 5, Little Miss Monster. Contestant number 6, Allie Pop. Contestant number 7, Rock Barbie. So give these girls a big round of applause. Like I said, it takes a lot to be up here. It takes a lot to be up here. They're so courageous. They're so adorable. Thank you, ladies. You guys want to walk off the stage? Can I have my pinups to the stage, please? Just so I can introduce you real quick. The crowns for the little girls, and none of these girls is going to go away without a crown. They will all receive a crown.
Suzette, perfect. Thank you.
All right.
Yay!
Sorry. Like I said, I'm not used to the mic like this. Do we have all our girls up here? I'm losing the results. All right, so let me get the crowns. And Eric has bobby pins right here for the girls, so you can put them on the girls. All right, so in third place, what? Yeah, that was right. In third place, Miss Allie Pop. Eric, there's bags missing. Yeah, there's bags missing. Okay, in second place, Miss Allie Bags.
Should put like a canopy here.
I know.
Oh, there you go. Perfect. Perfect.
And we'll give the girls the bags in a little bit. We forgot the rest of them at the post. And in first place, Ms. Kitty Von. Kitty Von V.
They'll get a crown in.
Come on, guys! Round of applause for the little ones. They're also getting, like I said, they're all getting crowns. They're all getting bags donated from a lot of our sponsors. It's like Halloween and Christmas up in these bags already. Hold on a second. Everybody's gonna get their little crowns. Can I also have my adult pinups to the stage? We're gonna be doing our questions and everything.
Miss Sherry Doll. If you can, all the little Miss winners, if they can come over here, Francis is waiting and we're gonna do a photo.
I won, Mom. Good job. Thank you. Hi. Hello. Marilyn Monroe, say hello. Hi, hi, hi. Stop it, little girl. Hello. Hello. Oy, who let the dogs out?
Our 13th contestant. The awards. Hey, man, can you put the sound up a little bit on the mic? Yeah. I'm just gonna do the pin of the, yeah, I just need like 5-6 minutes. That's it. You can stand up here. Our 13th contestant, no, I'm just kidding. Whew, it's hot out here. Can somebody just like put me in a bubble with an air conditioner right here? It's so hot. All right. Contestant number 1, Truly Felice. Contestant number 2, Miss Babsy. Contestant number 3, Mandy Von Munster. Contestant number 4, Rebel Little Devil. Just have Ivy stand right there on the side. Have Ivy stand over there on the side. Contestant number 5, Shelly Munster. Contestant number 6, Blanca G. I don't want to fall. Contestant number 7, Madam K. Contestant number 8, Pinky Swear. Contestant number 9. Oh, sorry, I need some water. Madam B. What number am I on? Oh, contestant number 10. I remember because I told her perfect time, Miss Jax. Contestant number 11. Woo, I'm telling you, I'm tired. Oh my goodness. And contestant number 12, Supernova. Woo. All right, I said contestant number 11.
Yeah, you missed it.
Sweetheart Small. Sorry, it's hot. All right, so we're gonna start with fan favorites. So fan favorites. Oh wait, let me tell you the judges. The judges were Danny from Danny's Spooky Treats. Thank you, Danny. George from JMB Photo. Thank you, George. Where'd you go? Lola, where you at, Lola? I heard you. Oh, okay, she left. Miss Divine over there in the corner with her baby. Thank you. And Jenna. All right. So fan favorite is Miss Sweetheart Small. Miss Allie Beth, can you come up here and put the crown on your mommy, please?
That's right. Woo!
Allie? Allie Beth?
Alice!
Allie?
Alice! She's busy. She's waiting for the desperado.
Hold on. I have a good place to put the mic. There we go. I'll put my phone over here. Right? I put my heels on so it's
Yeah, Liz!
I'm shaking. I'm so hot. Oh, it's so hot. Sorry. All right. You guys want to take a quick picture? And then just go over to the side over there. Next one. Just keep your nails. And her sign says, Miss I Remember. They're all named after Eddie Cochran songs. So Miss Congeniality, aka Miss Completely Sweet, Miss Shelly Munster. Emma, Emma. Put her on your mom. You want to put this on your mommy? All right, in third place, I know this is like the wrong place to hold the mic, but it's all right, I need my hands. In third place, Miss Rebel Little Devil. Ivy, the girls are tired. Come on, Ivy. Ivy, can you put this on your mommy? She's like, just take it, Mom, take it. Here, you want to put the sash on your mommy? This one. And then this one too. All right. And in second place, hold on, let me get your picture. I'll give you girls your bags right now. It's just so hot, I forgot. In second place, Miss Pinky Swear. Her child couldn't come, so I will be her child today. We're probably the same height. All right, and like I said, they all have different names. Whew, I forgot. And then in first place, Miss Summertime Blues 2024 is Miss Jax.
That's for you, Babu.
Thank you guys. Can I have the winners up to the front really quick? And thank you ladies for hanging in there with this heat. I know I'm dying. And these heels are killing me. I just wanted to be taller to be able to put the crowns because I am way too low for you guys.